Hey y'all, it's Leah. I wanted to share this little journal that I made. It's a sample for a local scrapbook store that I've been doing some work for. I've been teaching some classes and working a little bit in the store, and it's a ton of fun to be surrounded by paper all day and get to talk to people about scrapbooking and card making and junk journals and all of that stuff. So we have this steel die set that from Art Impressions. It's got 35 pieces and it has all of the pieces, including the actual cover, to make this fun little journal. And so I'll show you how that came together. So I put it together using the Strawberry Fields kit. I thought it would be very summery. This is from Echo Park, and it's very fun and bright and cheery. Okay, so I just finished it off with a little bit of strawberry ribbon to keep it tied together. So the journal it starts with two pieces that this is rounded on one side and then it's scored in the middle to give you the spine. And so you've got two of those that you then glue together on the back. And then on the inside, it's got 3 pages on either side. So I used the dies. There are some border dies, and so I used those, ran it through on both sides to make some little belly bands, and then just added some of the little journaling cards from the kit. And so this is another one of the dies on there. So this ended up being just kind of a little like inspirational quotes or just fun little life quotes. So I thought that would be kind of cute to just kind of have a little journal full of those little things. So you've got the pages that just are hinged on there. And so I made some of the tags, and then some of the tags were part of the kit. There's this cute little envelope die and then these tiny little tags. I tried to add very little of my own stuff, so I tried to do most of the things from the kit, with the exception of I used some enamel dots, and then I did use a couple of punches that I had, and I'll show you where I did those. So it's got these fun little scrolls on there, so I thought that was really pretty, and then some photo corners. And then just some more tags on there. This one was from there. There's just kind of a plain little scallop on there. So I was just trying to think of different ways to use like this little banner die. I used it just to kind of hold the tag in place. Okay, it's got these cute little page scalloped edge pages that you can cut out. And then this one was my die, one of my border punches for that one. And then I used one of my border punches here for that top part. And so yeah, just kind of put it together. It's got these cute little frames and some more little pockets and tags on there. And then in the back, it's got just this open space where you've got the back of the journal. And so I just added another little pocket there, and then one of the little envelopes with some more of the little flag tags. I put those together, and I just thought that came out really cute. I had a lot of fun with it. It was something different for me. So you can you can have the pages go in either direction. You can either have them overlap like that, or you could have, one set go down and then the other set go down and do that. So however you want to stack it. So just a fun little project. So hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye y'all.